Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you how to make a flounce. Now you can either do this on your fabric or on your pattern paper. Now I just took a marginal line right there on my pattern and I will fold this over at the middle. Now I am folding over so as to get the midpoint of my pattern. You can use your fabric, but for this tutorial I am using the pattern, and I will take the notch at the center like this. This way when I open my pattern up I can see the midpoint. Now using my ruler I will take the line like this all the way down. Now I would also divide the center part of my pattern like this. Now the next thing you need to do is to get about 2 inches, mark about 2 inches on each line. Now just connect your marks. Then all you need is just a circle at the center part. Now as you can see I already have my circle, and next thing you need to do is to mark 4 inches from this point. You can use 5 inches, you can use 6, depending on how high or low you want your flounce to be, and I am just taking 4 inches on each line. Now once I am done doing that, just connect your line. Now from this point I will connect my line upwards to the 4 inches mark on the midline. Now I will just keep marking 4 inches and I will keep connecting my lines. I will mark 4 inches again and I will connect my line. Now from this line you can start going higher if you want, depending on the style you want. Say you want to start smaller and you want to go higher at the ends of your flounce, but for the sake of this pattern I will keep marking 4 inches and connecting my lines. Now I will keep marking 4 inches and connecting till I get to the end of my flounce. Four inches and connect. 4 inches and connect. Now once I get to this end I will just take my line upwards like this. Now it's time to cut out. Now once you get around this area, just cut out this circle. This circle is going off. Now just cut all the way around it. Now once you're done cutting, take this off. You won't be needing it. And now you have your flounce. You can use this to make anything and create any design you want for your dress. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and hope to see you in more videos to come.